Lady Stephanie, I have a question. I noticed in your previous videos you talked about the impact of journaling. I want to know, based on your practice and your understanding, how does journaling impact stress and stress awareness?
That's a very good question. Journaling does impact stress and stress awareness in a very positive way. See, through journaling, one can determine through day-to-day activities what are some of the things they've engaged themselves in, what they're doing, what makes them feel positive or negative, how they regulate their emotions. So I think it's really important that as an advocate for journaling, each day, or even if it's just once or twice a week, write things down, how your day was, what took place, how you managed, how you got throughout the day. And just by looking at these things on a specific day where you have some downtime, it also gives you the idea of how you dealt with certain things when you were going through a specific situation. And by doing this can also give you some sort of awareness that can help you build your relationships around people, how you can enhance your well-being, better yet, how you can build resilience. But I want to encourage you that on Saturday, August the 2nd, via Zoom from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m., I will be facilitating for this workshop entitled Thriving Under Pressure, how you can learn essential skills